This is a fit for a 2012 through 2016 Honda CRV with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo Clamp SquareBar 135 base roof rack system. The system is using the SquareBar 135, which is 53 inches in length, the Evo Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number kit 5108. The crossbars are in a predetermined fixed location at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.